Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the rural bus system. Now, the Minister of Transport has committed to setting up a rural bus transport system by January 2025. Minister of Transport Darrell Vaz has committed to establishing a rural transportation system in Jamaica by January next year, aimed at alleviating the challenges faced by students in rural areas who endure long, unreliable commutes to and from school. However, this announcement has been met with skepticism from various stakeholders who criticize the government for its lack of urgency in addressing this ongoing issue. This announcement was made during a recent event where Vaz, Prime Minister Andrew Holness, and Minister of Education Favour Williams traveled with students on a Jamaica Urban Transit Company bus from the Halfway Tree Transport Centre to Jamaica College in St. Andrew, where they took part in devotional activities. Students from Papine High and Mona High were also on board the bus during the trip. Minister Vaz acknowledged the contrasting realities faced by students in rural Jamaica, who often rely on an arbitrary quota system set by bus and taxi operators and are burdened with daily fares ranging from $200 to $600. Vaz mentioned that he is in the process of finalizing a phased implementation plan for the rural transport system in collaboration with the Finance Ministry and Cabinet. He highlighted that the government already has a template for the plan, but noted that the rollout will come with significant costs, which the government must cover despite involving the private sector. The planned government subsidy, estimated at around $3 billion, will be challenging to allocate in a single installment, prompting a phased approach to the system's introduction. Alright, so that's the end of the update article. Now, students in the Kingston, Portmore, and Spanish Town area can travel on the JUTC bus, and they pay a subsidized fee, less than $100 to travel on the bus. The government owns the JUTC, so they subsidize it, so that's why the students can travel cheaper on those buses. But the government doesn't have enough buses to set up the rural transport system. The JUTC needs between 400 and 500 buses a day to operate an efficient service in that area. And I think they're up to between 200 and 300 buses a day now. So they definitely have no buses for the rural system. So as it is now, students in the rural areas of Jamaica have to rely on private taxis or non-government run buses. And that's why the cost is so high, and that's why they have a lot of challenges. So it would be very good if the government could set up a rural transport system for the students. Now there's also the train. Some students, for instance, from Old Harbour to Spanish Town and Bog Walk to Spanish Town, and there are a few other areas, they can travel on the train. So that helps a great deal, but the train service doesn't run to the rural parts of Jamaica. So that's also something they could look into, seeing how effective it could be. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.